Yellow Pages needed to move on from the old-fashioned directory, so they created the Yellow Toolbox, a collection of online advertising tools for small businesses. But what better way to convince advertisers to move to digital than set 12 businesses up with the Yellow Toolbox and do a live demonstration of effectiveness. We then measured how each of them were doing by setting up recording devices to track their success. When a cat door was installed, it linked to a live billboard and to a live dashboard. So every gutter fitted, a bit of water was added. Every bouquet made, snapshots were uploaded. Every tree felled, wood chips were collected. Every coffee made, beans were ground. And every house built, wooden panels were added. The progress of all 12 businesses was shown together on the website. You could also keep up to date with all of their success stories, from their video diaries, photos and blog entries of how Yellow was helping to take their business further, proving that sometimes it's better to show how a product works than just talk about it.